how to enroll in a client opportunity, the steps. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Arise website, which is www.arise.com. They will be switching over the website to ariseworkfromhome.com. So either one will work depending on when you're watching this video. But for right now, I am going to go to the Arise. If you see right here, it says register now or platform login. So you'll go to platform login, and this is how your screen should look. This video is for people who are enrolling and training. So this is the steps on how to enroll in a client opportunity or a particular job that you want to work for. So these are all of the clients who are on the portal as of today. This fluctuates weekly. So it could be different clients on here, and we carry a lot of the clients on here. So I'm just going to pick one. So I'm going to pick Intuit Pro Series. So before you enroll, and I tell people before you enroll in any of the trainings, make sure you click on the info button. So we're going to click on info. The info button is going to tell you everything that you would need to know about the client. You won't be able to see the pay, but for my customer service reps who are under my call center, I will be able to text me, and I will tell you the pay. The pay, you can text me at 704-266-2255. Make sure you are under my IVO before you text me and ask me for the pay. So as you can see on here, let me go back. As you can see on here to the right, you see available intervals. Intervals are basically when you are able to work. For Intuit Pro Series is Monday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. As you can see, this is the available intervals that you'll be able to work with a minimum of 15 hours. So this is really good information to know before you enroll in a training. Excuse my background noise. I am at home, of course, because I work from home. So also you'll see the equipment at the bottom, what's required. So let's see, the equipment tells you what you need. So if you look at the bottom, a lot of people try to say, oh, you need 2 monitors. It does not say you need 2 monitors. It says a second monitor is found to be beneficial. So it's beneficial, but it doesn't say anything about it's necessary. As you also can see, it's the plain old telephone line. You can have that. You can have a cable or a digital service. So that's good. VOP, a lot of people ask about that. So just make sure before you do enroll in any client, make sure you click on info. So I'm going to go back to the steps. So we're going to do Intuit Pro Series customer service. So this is the steps to enrolling in training. So we're going to click on select. As you see, once you click on select, you're able to view the class times right here, the blue button. I'm going to click on view class times. And as you can see, these are all of the class times that's available for you to train. And the training for Intuit is only 2 hours a day, y'all. So one of the things I try to tell people is make sure you are committed, because they will drop you from training if you miss 1 day of training. Make sure you are committed to training before you select. So I'm going to select 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. And I'm going to click on enroll now. Enroll now, which is the blue button. Once I click on enroll now, the blue button, another screen will pop up. As you can see, once that screen pops up, you will see a list of everything that needs to be completed before you are able to start class. So the first thing is the voice assessment. I already did that. And you only have to do the voice assessment once. So you only have to do the voice assessment once. So after that, you'll do a technical check. You'll run a technical check, and then Intuit Pro Series looks like they have a program assessment. So you'll have to do a program assessment. So once you do the program assessment, you will be client qualified, which is the enrollment part. as you see that. So now they have an option to where you can reschedule class time if you need to do another class time. So I tell people to make sure, this is very important, make sure that you complete everything. Once you click on select client and enroll in training, make sure you complete everything within 48 hours. Because if you don't, they will drop you, or class may fill up, or whatever it is. But you want to make sure you are prepared to pay as well. So these are the different steps that's going to assist you or help you with enrolling in training. The last step is to start class.